right, quick demo of the NGC Pay mobile app. All this copy and graphics here will change, but this is the first thing you'll see when you download the app for the first time. You have a little walkthrough that as you drag across, it'll give you the four different steps. Kind of go back and forth through that as you want. I'll go through four, click Get Started, and it asks you to add a phone number. So let's do that. Okay, you type it in, enter the code we just sent. Here's the code sent and a notification. You type that in, enter the code, enter your name. My name is John Appleseed. Enter an email address and create a password. And as you enter the password, this progress indicator gets larger as you check off the requirements. The checkboxes appear and they come into full white opacity. There'll be some sort of animation here. This is just a placeholder. I want to put something in there, and then loads we get right to the retailer list, which is so different than benefit and so much better because we don't have to select a beneficiary. You don't even have to set the method of payment yet. I'm going to kind of scroll up on this a little bit, and when you do, you can see that this becomes a sticky header. So I can kind of scroll through here. You see all retailers. You've got the bonuses in here. Everything's organized just alphabetically. If I hit the arrow here, you can see I can organize this by deals, wallet, and nearby. I'll close that back up. If I hit the search box here, that animation didn't quite work right, but I'll play with that. So if I click in there, I type in Target, it shows up just Target. I'm going to hit cancel. It goes back. All right, so then I'm going to click here again. I'm going to choose nearby. And who's nearby? Organize a list of our merchants by those closest to you. Clicking turn on location would probably take you to your settings, iOS settings, where you can turn on the location services, but in this case it takes you to nearby and it brings in the merchants closest to you by location from your proximity. I'm going to hit nearby again, go back to all retailers, and this will load back in all the retailers. All right, so then we're here in the list of merchants. I'm going to click one. Actually, let's do the search and we'll go to Target. Go, click Target, and it loads in Target. I now have the cashback on this screen. I've also removed the cards and info from here, and I've moved info up to here on the left-hand side. I don't have a treatment for that yet, but when you click that, it should show the info. I don't know if the card will flip and it'll be on the back or what. We'll come up with that. So I'm going to quickly type in 3215, and when I hit buy, that slides down. And now what's kind of nice is it tells, similar to the current existing app, what's payment methods changing or charging. But if I click this, it allows me to change the payment method right here on the screen. I'm just going to keep that one. Good. So I'll have some sort of, we've got to have a loading treatment, but this is very similar to what we currently have. I'm trying to bring over as much of that as we can, but also just clean it up. I also have three icons here. I don't know yet if we want to do this, but my thought is that you should be able to gift any card that you purchased, even if it's a variable denomination. Say you have one in your wallet and you just started using it, so you want to give it to somebody. Right now, you'd have to click email it, send it to you, and then you have to forward it. So this will allow you to at least gift it. I'd like to introduce that as kind of an extension of gifting. There will also be a primary gifting section, but yeah. So I don't have any treatment for multiple cards, but that'll always work the same. When I close this out, we still need our, I'm building that now, but letting you know what you earned, and then it takes you back to the main list. So I'm going to next build gifting, which I haven't done, but we'll do this probably by the middle of next week. And then what account looks like. So when you click into account, it's got your profile. It should have your payment methods. It should have your earnings, what you earned in cash back. And then it should have the settings on where you want that cash back applied, either to a Venmo account, a PayPal account, or a future card. So that is the demo as it stands. Made great progress, and I hope within a week, maybe two, to be completely